Nobody has the exact count, but I've been doing this a long time. And I can tell you that I feel very comfortable telling you that 95% of the people that are in this business are jagoffs. They are the hustlers. They will never own a business. They are the ones that get confused with, well, nobody can do it as good as I can, or I can't ever slow down to train people. And so they will forever get to be locked into their quote unquote job that they're doing, because it's not a business. They're going to get locked in forever. They can't get out of their own way, and they will never achieve what they believe they're trying to achieve because they're not willing to do what others are willing to do. They're not willing to put the people and processes in place and the leverage in place to actually think bigger and grow bigger. They're not willing to invest in themselves and get the education and the skills that is required to become a great leader, a great CEO, a great executive, right? They don't believe in personal development. They don't believe in coaching. They don't believe in mentoring. They don't believe in any of that stuff. They're so busy being busy that they will always be defined as that. They can sit here and talk as much as they want. They can, sit here and jerk themselves off as much as they want that, hey, this is what I'm going to be one day, and it's all bullshit. They're never going to be any of that. They won't do what is necessary. The most elite in any industry know that there's one way to get there. You go and you seek out the people who have done it before. You invest in them and yourselves and getting that information, getting that data, and you implement and you take massive action and you get out of your own way. And it is okay to be scared. It is okay to be naive. It is okay to feel like a little lost. You were lost once when you got in the business. You didn't know what the hell you were doing on day one. This is no different. You have to learn new skills. But once you start learning those skills and you understand the power of that leverage and the person you have to become, the leader that you must become in order to actually realize those gains that you're looking for, that's the win. It's when you get trapped in this dogma of thinking that you can't do this or you can't do that. I can't slow down for this or I can't. Well, that gets to be true forever. So you have to decide what's more important, this short-term dopamine hit or the long-term gain of becoming the ultimate version of yourself, not only personally, but professionally and financially. It's your choice.